me and my colleague Ivica Boljata from Split University, Faculty of Natural Sciences and Mathematics, Split, Croatia. Key idea of our paper: exam results of STEM school subjects are better fit with power law distribution. Here you can see results on Croatian language on Matura exam. Very well fitted with the Gauss distribution. But results on physics are not well fitted with Gauss distribution. We propose better fit with power law distribution. Content: introduction, high school curriculum and the knowledge assessment, results on 2012 Croatian Matura exam in physics, informatics and the languages, Croatian and English language as the typical instances of humanities subjects, physics and informatics as representatives of STEM subjects, analysis of results on humanities exams are well approximated with the Gauss distribution. Results on STEM, physics and informatics are to be approximate with power law distribution. Comparison with the results of advancing physics exam in Great Britain. The question: does different nature of school subject knowledge cause different exam data? And the references. Introduction. State Matura examination in Croatia began in 2010. The purpose of Matura is evaluation of students' school achievements and as a university entrance exam. According to critics, numerous drawbacks. Inclination of facts testing. Does not evaluate the application of knowledge, does not examine critical thinking, does not assess ability for hypothesis making. Reduces teaching on preparation for exams instead of developing students' high cognitive competencies and creativity. Absence of predefined expected metric characteristics. We claim that authors of Matura exam implicitly expected Gauss distribution of results. Our position is that Gauss distribution is appropriate for analyzing achievement in humanities and the arts. We propose power law distribution, Newman, 2006, as superior to Gauss in analyzing results in physics and informatics. Similar distribution of data on advancing physics examination in Great Britain is described. A-level results 2012. We pose heuristic argument about different nature of humanities and the STEM subject knowledge as a possible origin of different shape of results. High school curriculum and the knowledge assessment. High school curriculum in Croatia is composed of mainly two parts. The first one, STEM subjects, mathematics, informatics, physics, chemistry, biology and the technology in some vocational schools. And the second, humanities, mother languages, classic and the foreign languages, history, arts, philosophy and the religious. Obligatory subjects on Matura examination are mother language, Croatian at the most, mathematics and one foreign language. Students can choose elective subjects too. Physics is often choice. Exam questions are based on the learning outcomes. Besides multiple choice questions, Some tasks are open-ended or in essay form. Results of 2012 Croatian Matura exam in physics, informatics and languages. Croatia and the English language as a typical instances of humanity subjects. Physics and informatics as representatives of STEM subjects. Croatian and the English language is a typical instances of humanities subjects. You can see distribution of percent success on Croatian language. Also, percent success of English language. Here you can see distribution of percent success on physics and distribution of percent success on informatics. Analysis of results. As you can see, results on humanities exams are well approximated with Gauss distribution. Majority of students, 60%, is grouped in middle bin with mark good. The rest of them are distributed in class with mark enough or with mark very good or excellent. Results on STEM, physics and informatics are to be approximate with power law distribution. Visual inspection of graphs, figure 3 and figure 4, is enough to reject attempt of psychometric experts to push empirical data under the bell of theoretically supposed Gauss distribution. Yellow curve. You can see this yellow curve and the distribution of percent success for physics is not good approximate with this yellow curve. Comparison with results of advancing physics exam in Great Britain. If you compare distribution of percent success on physics in Croatia and on physics in Great Britain, it's obvious that the distributions, these power law distributions are same. Some notion about power law distribution. Power law distribution is appropriate when describing phenomena in which huge events occur extremely rare. Small events occur often, but very small events occur quite often. Mathematical expression for power law distribution has form y equals x to the power of a is parameter proportional to minus 2.5, value of parameter a obtained for data on physics exam in Great Britain. Such events are distribution of earthquakes. Huge earthquakes are extremely rare, small are very often. Number of injuries in wars, very rare. There are a lot of injuries in war, usually there are only several. Number of cities with certain population. There is a little cities with population like New York, but a lot of cities with small population. Number of islands with area larger than certain. Little islands with great area, almost infinity islands with very small area. And finally, question, does different nature of school subject knowledge cause different exam data? Fitting results of all school subjects on Gauss distribution has a consequence of treating results in humanities as success, but results in STEM as failure, because there is not enough students with mark 3. We disagree with this interpretation, insisting that results of STEM subjects are not to be expected to behave according to law of Gauss distribution, but instead to power law distribution. Heuristics is next. Not too much students are ready to face unknown situation and to solve problems using mathematical reasoning. Majority of them are conformed, dealing with only familiar tasks. If so, rare students can earn excellent mark on exam, and the most of them are satisfied with just passing exam. Fast-changing nature of informatics and sciences is not acceptable for majority, satisfies only with using new technology. And the final conclusion, Gauss distribution of student success on STEM subjects should not be discriminatory indication of quality of learning in that area. And finally, references.